there, how you doing? This is Loyal Hands with Loyal Hands SMC. Right here we are working on this 4-bedroom house right here. We've completed most of the superstructure and now we're working on the roofing, as you can see there. This building is owned by a client of ours who is overseas. She's in UK right now, and it's actually a old house that we've been able to rehabilitate a bit. We've added some rooms to it, fixed more verandas and stuff. So the property sits on a 30 by 30 piece of land, as you can see it here, and we will be soon starting the plastering work in about 2 weeks again. And before that, we are going to install the plumbing pipes, the conduits for electric wires. Of course, the roofing is already being worked on. We are also going to install the water tank stands, the septic tanks, and the soak pits. This building actually is a 15-year-old building. It wasn't the way you see it right now. We've rehabilitated it. It was basically a 2-room house with just one living room and an exterior kitchen and toilet. We as Loyal Hands do run construction project activities on behalf of other beneficiaries, especially the diaspora community. We can work with you to build your project from the ground all the way up to the point where we hand the keys to you as our client. We can help with all the processes, right from land acquisition to verification, certifications and permits, and all that process. We can run it on your behalf. And we are based right here in Gulu City, northern Uganda.